Good morning, it's Sunday. The horses are ready to go out. Delilah's door is open. Mauricio moves to the back and opens up Chance. And then Tio. Oh, Tio's ready to go. And then he's going to open up Fresco. Here comes Royal. Here comes Regal. Regal first. Here goes Regal. Taking himself right up. Here comes Royal. Royal's following Regal. Tio takes the roundabout. Who's going to go in first?
Okay, now we are waiting for the other guy to see.
There they go.
Going up. Going up.
Sometimes they need a little bit of Smoky to send them along.
Good job. Come here.
Okay. Mauricio, you want me to continue?
Now we gotta wait for this guy.
And Smoky. Smoky's going to check to see who else is eating.
Stop over there and we can...
Smoky!